Winston the Beard, hello. Rather than take photos of this place, I thought I'd just give you a once round with the camera. It's Yellowstone Lodge, right next to Old Faithful Geyser, which was a rather strange experience. Such a natural thing to see, and I had to watch it with about 400 other tourists sitting around. I can't blame people for wanting to come see it, but with a massive parking lot and an interstate junction for traffic to come and see it, massive visitor centre next door, and gift shops and all the rest of the commercial things that goes with it. It's just a little bit strange for Yellowstone to be doing that when all the other parks have got a very different ethos. Having said that, it was extremely impressive, as is Yellowstone Lodge. Here you go.
You gonna walk or?
Pretty impressive woodwork. You can stay here still, but it's only open in the summer. It's not been open long this year, and must be a bit of a strange experience staying in somewhere which is such a massive tourist attraction. Thousands of people every day coming to check out where you're staying on holiday. Having said that, you have to appreciate the woodwork. Cheerio.